broken because many times we live in the comfort of our homes or the places where we dwell and forget about the people and what it must be like to be broken, to be on drugs. Many of us have been there, but we've forgotten where we were. But I'm here to tell us tonight that if we are to see the community transform and if we to see the community change, we got to open our eyes and pay attention. The first thing that Jesus often did is he intentionally went places where there were people hurting. He could have walked or gone another way, but he many times had needs, as the scriptures say, to go through Samaria. Now, Jews have no dealings with the Samaritans. Why would you go through Samaria? Thinking about Luke, the passage in the Bible where it says that Jesus was on his way to Jerusalem and intentionally went between Samaria and Galilee on his way to Jerusalem. There were other ways to go, but Jesus wanted to go through the place where there were people who were quarantined from society. These people had some rare disease called leprosy. Couldn't